Welcome. In this video we will see getting a handshake and a data capture. A data capture or a handshake is a captured password that is got when two devices talk wirelessly. The data capture will be stored in a file on a computer. It still will be encrypted and needed to be cracked, which is when a dictionary will be used to guess the password. This is a two-step process, capturing the data file being the first. Set up a test environment with WPA or WPA2 encrypted router and set a password on it. A second device needs to be logged into the router so that the encrypted password file can be caught. Kali Linux should be up and running. Open a terminal window. Run the command ng to see if your USB adapter shows up. Mine shows up. Once you know that the adapter is connected and operating, run this command ng start WLAN 0 to get the adapter into monitor mode. If all goes well, the screen will scroll by with some information which will say monitor mode enabled on Mon 0. Now we want to see what router or access point are out there. So we run the command dump ng mon 0. A picture like this should come up and show all the routers out there. Here we select the target router and copy the BSS ID and channel number. Use Ctrl+C to stop the terminal window and copy the BSS ID. Next, we want to leave the original terminal window alone and open a second terminal window. Here we are going to set up the adapter to a data capture on router we selected. After we do this, we will have to wait for a wireless device to connect to the router and it will do a data capture of the password. To do this, we do the following command: dump ng c channel number, w our file name, BSS ID of access point mon 0. This is how it looks for me. W syntax is telling dump ng to write a file to the drive. It can be given any name. Then it should go into monitoring the access point for a data capture. At this point, we could simply wait for someone to connect wirelessly to the router. It can be any device, their laptop, desktop or smartphone. When they connect, the password will be transmitted back and forth to the device. If we wait, then we stay in passive mode and no one can detect we are there. The top right of the terminal window will display WPA handshake in the upper right when this happens. Once it says WPA handshake on top right, the file it is done and the file is captured and returned to the drive. There is a way to speed this up if you know someone has a wireless device connected to the router by de-authenticating them or kicking them, forcing them to reconnect. This will most likely be recorded by the router, so this is not a passive method. To do this, open another terminal window and type airplay ng05a target basis id space mon 0. Like for me, here it is. Airplay ng05a basis id mon 0. If you see in root directory, we have successfully captured WPA Handshake. In next video, we will see how to use aircrack and a dictionary to crack a WPA data capture. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.